Here I am with Levi's Fan Channel, and I am filming this lovely living room ceiling fan. As you can see outside, there's a lovely forest view. Oh, excuse me. Pardon me. And it's getting to be evening time, so we kind of have that dusky feel to it. Oh goodness, that was a big cough. Sorry. My friend that I'm staying with has a kitty cat. She's lovely, but I have a little bit of allergies that come along with that. Let me see if I can move over a little bit. I always like it personally when there's shadows of fans too. I think it's kind of like getting to watch a double spin down. Coming slowly to the stop there. Okay, thanks for watching Levi's ceiling fan video, and hope you're having a great day and you're doing something to make someone else happy.